Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how I went about building the front passenger side armrest for the 67 Continental project. It's a little bit different to the rears because those stand alone, whereas this has to interact with the dash, so it has to be a nice fit, so it's a little bit fiddlier, but the basic build process is the same. Yeah, and my apologies for continuity errors. I'm just learning the camera and there were errors large enough that I had to re-record it. So some things may look off in the background, but that's on me. So anyway, coming over here, this is the driver's side armrest, and basically I need to make a mirror image of this for the passenger side. So the way I do that is by just, I develop a cardboard template to start. And yeah, just basically trace this on, and then we build off that, and then you get a pretty close facsimile of the piece on the driver's side. So the complication of the front armrest comes from the fact that it has to meet up with the dash, and so it just means that I'm going to have to do a bunch of tweaking to make sure that it meets up nicely with this curve here, and that I can get the gap between the door and this piece here to about 3/16 of an inch, or I think about 4 millimeters. So what remains is to take the cardboard templates and transfer them to PVC and start building the passenger armrest. It's pretty tedious and it's gonna take a long time, so let's engage speedy mode. So I have the majority of the build done on the passenger side armrest, and even though it's rough at this point, there's a whole bunch of sanding and finishing to go. That's boring. So I thought I'd show you what it looks like screwed in place on the passenger door card and tell you about the next steps to the project. And yeah, so come with me and we'll have a look at that. So, as you can see, it's attached in the final location. There's kind of gaps here and there, and this is only taped on, but it'll give you an idea of what everything looks like in place. I put the grill on and the tweeter there. So the next part of the project is going to be building a trim strip that extends from here up at the front all the way across the passenger door card. The thinking here is that I would like to take this design element of a wooden trim strip and tie it together to the passenger door card to create a harmonious design in the interior. And that's going to be quite involved and would make for a very, very long video. So all that remains is for me to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll join me next time when I'll show you the process for building the trim strip for the passenger door card. Should be really interesting because I'm vacuum clamping the veneer onto the trim strip, and I'll be showing you how I did it with a bunch of kind of ordinary household stuff to keep the costs down. So I hope to see you then. Bye-bye!